In this video, I will show you how to change Google Chrome background. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to jot that down in the comment section down below. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. From here, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots. So that's going to bring up this menu, and what you want to do is come down and click onto settings just down here. And from this page, you're going to want to come to this menu on the left hand side, and you're going to see an option for appearance. So just go ahead, give that a click. And that's going to take you across to a screen like this. Now, if you look at the top, you've got Chrome Colors theme up here. Just go ahead and click that link, and that's going to take you to the Chrome web store. From here, you can go ahead and search for different themes. So you can see we've got a ton of different categories like dark and black themes, winter wonderland themes, and so on and so forth. So in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and select the winter wonderland themes. So I'm just going to click see more over here. And then once you found your selected theme, so what I'm going to do is take this mountain here, Mount Everest. What you want to do is click onto the theme itself. And once you've done that, you should now see a blue button saying add to Chrome. So just go ahead, click onto this. And after a minute or two, that's going to apply this to your Google Chrome. As you can see, we've got a confirmation come up at the top saying installed theme Mount Everest. And when I next go ahead and open up a new tab, you can now see we have changed our background. So that's how to go ahead and change Google Chrome background. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.